All right, this is the maize composting cart. Comes with a set of instructions. It's basically just wing nuts, washers, screws, and a couple of cotter pins. Looks pretty easy to do. We got about 25 inches this way, 22, 23 inches this way, and about 14 inches, 15 inches at its tallest point. Nice plastic on here. First part is pretty simple. We're using the 2 large washers and the 2 cotter pins. You put one wheel on, run it through, put the other wheel on. There's only 2 different types of bolts left, a shorter bolt and a longer bolt. We're gonna take the 2 shorter bolts, I'm gonna stick this through like that, run the bolt through it, and put the wing nut on the back. Really simple. We've got 4 bolts left. Obviously they're gonna go right here. We're gonna use the 4 bolts, the 4 washers, and the 4 wing nuts. Don't tighten these down until you get all 4 bolts through here. Now that we've got all the bolts through the holes, which was a little trickier than I thought it was gonna be, now we can tighten it all down. And there it is. Pretty sturdy design. Rolls pretty nice even in the grass. Obviously this works with maize composter products, and it'll fit under any composter with a 15-inch clearance on the bottom. It's lightweight when it's not full, and it makes traveling to it from your composter a little bit easier. There it is, the maize composting cart.